Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to replace the fuel pump in a 2008 Polaris Ranger. We got our replacement fuel pump from Quantum Fuel Systems. Check it out, pretty easy to install. First, let's get it open. Kind of wish though that post office would have taken a little bit better care of it. Tore it up a little bit shipping. Hopefully it's not busted. Packing material. Hold down. Looks like our pump assembly is okay. Now this is the whole shooting match. Fuel sender, fuel pump, screen, the strainer, the filter, the whole 9 yards. Looks like a pretty well made product. One more piece of plastic off this float here. There we go. Looks like that'll do the trick. So let's show you how to put this thing in. So for this model, we're not going to need this. This is for the earlier years. All we do, pop up the seat, get it out of our way. So, snap off our fuel line, release our harness. Supposed to be a vent tube here. It's missing, it's rotted off, so we're going to have to replace that. All you got to do is unscrew this lock ring. Out with the old unit. Looks like our float is missing off of this one. We get our new gasket here. Get it over everything. I'd be careful we don't bend this rod for the fuel level sender, or we'll end up with a gas gauge that lies to us. Get that guy in there first. Feed it down in there. Line everything up. This is under spring tension, so I'm going to hold it down. You screw your lock ring back down on there. Snap the fuel line back on. Plug in our wire harness. And there we have it. Now, we're going to go ahead and check our fuel pressure. Just the basic fuel injection, high pressure fuel gauge here. Adapter, screw onto the Schrader. This is actually the same Schrader valve you see on a lot of your older Fords. Plug it in. Let's go ahead and cycle the key a couple of times. How about that? Got our 40 PSI, long way away from the 20 the old one was making. This thing ought to run pretty good now. Well, there you go. Simple job. Looks like a pretty good product supplied to us from Quantum Fuel Systems. All right, let's take her for a spin, see how she runs. Well guys, there you have it. A successful repair made it a lot better price than buying a part from Polaris. Polaris wanted to sell me the entire fuel tank for almost $1,000 just to get a fuel pump. I thought that was a little ridiculous. But these guys, Quantum Fuel, they saved the day. So far, I'm impressed. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one. Later.